Good morning students, welcome to the online class. So today we people are going to discuss about economics 4th chapter, that is none other than local government, is it? So in this lesson what all are things you people are going to learn? Yes, the importance of forming the local government, the objectives and functions of local government, the information, administration, responsibilities and duties of the local government. Not only this, along with that you are going to learn from which empire onwards the concept of local government was started. Yes, let us see the history of local government. The concept of local government in India is very old concept. Yes, from the Chola dynasty, which is the very oldest and the ancient kingdom of India, that Chola dynasty gave importance to the growth of local self-government. Not only that, Viceroy, British Viceroy Lord Curzon, is it? No, he's a Lord Ripton. Yes, British Viceroy Lord Ripton tabled the Bill of Local Government in 1882. Yes, this bill enabled the formation of the local government. Hence, Lord Ripton is considered, or as Lord Ripton called as the father of the local government in India. Is it? The bill enabled the formation of the local government. Yes, but he only tabled the local government in 1882, but it gets unable to get a formation. For that reason, Lord Ripton is considered as the father of local government in India. Acts of 1919 and 1935 passed by the British provided more powers to local self-governing institutions in India. The realized the dream Gram Swarajya of our father of nation, the government of India adopted a direction was included in the Article 14 in Indian Constitution, which states that the state shall take steps to organize village panchayat. Is it? The directive principles of state policy, which is the part 4, article number 36 to 51, socialistic, Gandhian, liberal, intellectual, intellectual, that also in Hindi. Yes, see, 73rd and 74th constitutional amendments, which came into effect in 1993, become the milestone in the history of Panchayat Rajya system. The Karnataka Panchayat Raj system was came into effect as per 73rd Amendment. 73rd Amendment to the Indian Constitution in 1993, April 24. Yes, when the amendment was started, that also the Karnataka Panchayat Raj Act was came into effect as per the 73rd Amendment. Okay, when you will get this video, write the meaning of amendment. What is mean by the amendment? That you have to write. Okay, that 73rd Amendment of the Indian Constitution in 1993, April 24. Is it? Next, you can see the amendment chart. Yes, I'll hold it for the 2 seconds. Grama Sabha is mentioned. Is it? See, the Panchayat is there. The Panchayat, the 73rd Amendment and part 9. Sorry. The Panchayat, institutions of self-government for rural area. Yes, Panchayat means institution of self-government for rural areas. Yes, see, the constitutions in Panchayat, the which are the constitutions will come. See, district level, intermediate level, village level. Yes, but before going to know these all the points, let me tell you the Grama Sabha. Grama Sabha is the body consisting of persons registered under electoral rolls electing to the village comprised within the area of panchayat at the village level. Yes, have you ever heard about Gram Sabha elections, Panchayat elections? Yes, those all are those all elections will elect the roll member of the Gram Sabha and Panchayat Raj. Okay, the third tier Gram Sabha or the Panchayat. Gram Sabha will not consider, but the Panchayat is the third tier of the self government. Yes, so in this third tier of local government, the constitution comes district level constitution, village level, intermediate level constitutions will comes. Okay, then next composition. How it's composition? Seats in proportion to population filled by direct elections. Here, to get a membership of a Gram Sabha or a Panchayat, we need to elect by the particular village. Yes, next reservation. Yes, 1/4 for women seats will be available, and along with SC and STs also. Leave that one, SC STs. Okay, the 1/4 of the woman seat also considered in panchayat. Among 5 punch, one compulsorily one seat will be always available for lady candidate. Okay, there we can take a place. Yes, next powers. What all are the powers we will get if we become a Gram Sabha member? Yes, see, or Panchayat member. See, implement schemes for economic development and social justice for matters in 11th schedule, levy and collect taxes, duties, tolls and fees. Next, financial commission, review financial position, division of collected taxes, duties, tolls and free between state and panchayats. Yes, the duration. Yes, the panchayat the panchayat member, his complete duration is 5 years period. Okay, he can become a 5 years as a, he can roll village as a panchayat member, that also for 5 years. Okay, he will get a 5 years time to rule the Gram Sabha or Panchayat. Panchayat will not call, but we'll call it as a Gram Sabha. Okay, next audit. Maintenance of account and auditing. This is the importance of the audit. Yes, let's move for the next one. As per the amendment of Article 243 to 243(0) of Schedule 9, Panchayat Raj system is detailed. Yes, so 74th amendment provides the constitutional status to civic administration. In Schedule 9A, articles from 243P to 243ZG. P means Panchayat to 243 Jilla Gram Sabha detailed to the civic administration. Yes. In the post independent spirit to establish and strengthen local bodies to Karnataka state government was introduced the Panchayat Raj Act in 1983 and it came into effect in 1985. What is local government? So let us know about the meaning of local government. The democratic institution at the grassroots level helps to solve local problems. Yes, to solve the local problems at the local level with the cooperation and involvement of the people is known as local government. Here you can see the picture. Yes. Next, local self-government become the basis for the decentralization of power. The Karnataka Panchayat Raj Act was framed as per the 73rd Amendment to the Indian Constitution in 1993. This was renamed as Karnataka Gram Swaraj and Panchayat Raj Act in 1993 in 2015. Yes, let me read it once again. This was renamed as Karnataka Grama Swaraj and Panchayat Raj Act 1993 in 2015. Yes, you can see on the desktop also. Yes, as as amended by Act number 44 of 2015. Yes, the the panchayat was renamed as or the local government was renamed as the Karnataka Grama Swaraj and Panchayat Raj Act 1993. That also it was renamed in the year 2015. Yes, the objectives of the local government. The first objective is to involve the local people in solving the problems of their own locality. Yes, so what is the importance of local government? Here, the local people will only become a panchayat member or gram sabha members. They will only try to solve the problems of the local people. Yes, understood. Like how they used to solve the problems. Here on the desktop, I was already displayed the problems solving steps. How they used to solve the problems of the local people. See, the yes means step by step they used to go. Like yes says the problem. Yes, without blame, they will solve the problem. Think of solutions. After receiving the problems, they will think it of how to solve, yes, the problems. Then afterwards, explore consequences. What could happen if I will solve this, then what would be happen? If I will not solve that problem, then what will be happen? These all the things that a member of the panchayat he used to think. Okay, next, pick the best solution. Yes, after receiving a problems, how to solve it, in what basis that problem have to solve, and among all the suggestions from getting other people's, we will select, we need to pick it up only the best solution that only make our solving problem successfully. Then only we people are able to solve the problem successfully. Okay, like this step by step the people are going to solve the local people's problem. Next comes to second one, to provide the knowledge of administration to common people. Yes, some of the people are unable to take a education. Yes, understood. And some people are unable to understand the administration. Yes, they don't have a knowledge of the administration. Understood. So at that time, the panchayat people means those panch members are there. So those all the members will try to provide the knowledge of the administration to the common people, means to the village people to that particular village people. They will give the knowledge of the administration, how we people are solving the problems, how you people have to get your, means how you people have to bring your problems, and on what basis we will solve it, how we will solve it. Okay, all the things they will all the problem solutions, how they will get all the knowledge of the local government or the administration regarding local government, they will give to the common people. Yes. The third objective is to help in decentralizing powers and make the administration more efficient. Yes, so when you will get this video, write the meaning of decentralization. Yes, for the next step for humanity. Here comes the matter of humanity. Understood? Next, the fourth one, to train or develop leadership qualities among people at the grassroots level. Yes, we need to build up a leadership among the common people also, and we need, and that panchayat member should build a leadership among the common people, yes, that village people, and he have to assure that what all are the problems he that people will get in front of him, he will try to solve it. Okay, that kind of leadership he have to manage, and that kind of leadership he have to build. Yes. Next, to maintain and functions of the self government. Yes, to maintain and the panchayat functions of local self-government, protect the panchayat property. Have you ever went for the panchayat karyalay? Gram panchayat karyalay? Have you ever seen how it looks? How it looks? It looks very nice, very clean and tidy place. Have you seen? Yes. If you never saw the panchayat, please go to the panchayat, just to take a look. Okay, in front of standing that panchayat karyal, you just take a look how it looks. Yes, then afterwards come to the class. Yes, after, when you will get this video, go to the gram panchayat karyal and take a look of the gram panchayat karyalay, and just don't enter to the inside of the panchayat. Okay, just overtook, means you have to take a look outside of the panchayat only. Yes, then afterwards, next day when you will come to the class, you just tell me that what all are things you have seen, whether they were clean or not. The gram panchayat was the by using bold letters they were written gram panchayati karyalay, then taluk, jilla, etc, etc, they were written. That also you people have to see whether it is cleaned or not. That also you have to see. Maintenance, how they used to maintain the panchayat. Yes, and what all are the functions they used to do, like whether they were taking care of the government schools, yes, government property they are taking care or not, that you people have to know. Yes, so when you will get this video, go to the karyalay, gram panchayat karyalay, just to take a look of that gram panchayat karyalay. Yes, that also while standing outside only, don't enter to the panchayat. If you are interested very much, then go in, get into inside and just take a look how many people are working there, whether it is clean or not. Yes, that you just take a look and come back and we will discuss the functions of the local governments in our classroom. Okay. Next, to prepare the annual budget of the local body. Here also annual budget will be gets matter. Yes, panchayat members, they will also get the annual budget here. In that annual budget only they have to manage the, and they have to, they must and should solve their village problems also. Yes. And budget is also considered as the body of the local government. They undertake health and family welfare programs. Health and family welfare means not their family and their health. It's regarding, they have to take care, that village panchayat members and that village panchayat have to take care of the families of their village people and even the health of their people. Yes. Next one. See this kind of welfares they have to do. Is it? Sometimes they have to do a survey. Yes, have you ever heard the survey of the Janaganati? Have you ever heard Janaganati of the your bullocks, buffaloes? Have you ever heard Janaganati of people? Have you ever heard? Have you heard? If you heard, then come back to the school and we'll discuss this matter. Okay. Next, and these all kind of responsibilities will undertaking the care of the panchayat only. Okay. Next, say this, the construction of the roads, electrification, housing, supply of the drinking water. Yes, and preparing the roads, whether they were kacha road or whether they were damper road also. Yes, these all the kinds of functions will undertaking by the local government, which is also called as the panchayat, okay, or grama sabha. Yes, have you see in front of our school only the construction is going on. What kind of construction? Not, they were not ready to build a building. Yes, the work like laying a roads, they were preparing a, means they are laying of roads, isn't it? Have you seen that? So many tech means such like vehicles were came, bulldozers. Yes, and this kind of roadway making a road, that kind of, these all kind of vehicles we have seen already. Yes, that is the best example for us. Live live you can take a look how they used to prepare the roads. Yes, that this is the best example for us. Yes, that this kind of work is undertaken by the local government, which is called panchayat, okay, or grama sabha. Next, to plan and undertake the developmental works like laying of roads, electrification, housing, and supplying of drinking water, etc. Yes, what all are the facilities you will get from the government? All the facilities will comes under the taking care of the local government. Yes, see this, the construction. Okay, next comes the drinking water. Yes, every 3 days or every weekly once you will get a water, drinking water. You will call it as a holi neeru, holi neera, isn't it? So that water comes from that was a supply of the drinking water, which is the under and already undertaken by the panchayat. Is it? Next, the government schools. To encourage and implement the primary, secondary, adult and information education programs. The new kind of education programs will start in government schools. Yes, always panchayat and gram panchayat, they people are ready to, they have to be ready to solve the problems of the local people, means village people, whether they were belongs to children. Sorry for the disturbance. Whether they were belongs to uh, children or elder one, okay, doesn't matter, anybody. Sorry for the disturbance, guys. I hope you understood this one. Isn't? Sorry, once again. See, to encourage and implement the primary, secondary, and adult, that also informational education programs. Have you heard Ratri Shalagalu for the adult peoples? Yes, they were also undertaking of, or they were also the implementation of the panchayat system. Yes, next, to maintain cleanliness and sanitation of the area. Swachhata Swastha, clean, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which was established by the Shri Narendra Modi ji. Is it? Panchayat also have to take care of the cleanliness of the village. They have to supply water. Yes, they have to, even they have to take care of the garbage also, solid, and they have to manage the solid waste management, and they have to manage kitchen management. They have to maintain hygiene, they have to maintain sanitization, self water, all the kinds of things they only have to maintain. Yes, see, you can see here on the desktop, took for a dustbin, it is there. Yes, the cleanliness, swachhata pakwada. Yes, next one, See this one. To prevent all sorts of pollution and to provide better health facilities. Better health facilities they have to provide to the local people. To provide facilities for the distribution of essential commodities like food grains, kerosene, etc. Now the points comes Kirana store. Yes, no, not Kirana. Don't go for the Kirana store. Okay, go for the ration card. Yes, every people, every family is having a ration card, isn't it? According to that, you will get food grains and kerosene from the village. That also panchayat, is it? Next, see here. To ensure prompt registration of birth and deaths, means the birth certificate and the death certificate, both certificates, if we want, then we need to prompt the registration. Understood? Next one. To encourage agriculture, animal husbandry, khadi and handicraft industries. Yes, panchayat system will also encourage the agriculture of that village, animal husbandry. For that also they have to do a encouragement, and they have to develop the khadi. Yes, and handicraft industries also they have to develop. To get a development in handicraft industries, they have to give a knowledge of that handicraft industries, that khadi industries knowledge they have to give to the common people or people of that village. Then only they have to um, encourage them. They have to encourage them how to do. If you people will follow in a, if you people are able to do the khadi industries and such, uh, you will get this much, this percent of successful, you will get successful products, you will get, you a maximum, you will get production, or you will get what you people will call lab. Yes, you will get maximum, you will get a encouragement from the panchayat system. Yes, next. To encourage agriculture, animal husbandry, khadi and handicraft industries, you can see that also. Yes, these all are called, see, this is called agricultural, the encouragement by which was already given by the panchayat, and this is the encouragement which was already given by the panchayat, that is for only for the animal husbandry. These many types of animal husbandry you people can do. Yes, these all the knowledge, this all the kinds of knowledges that particular village panchayat will give to the people. Yes, see this khadi industries, kaimagga. Yes, negilu, sorry, not negilu, kaimagga. Yes, have you heard mug, machinery mug? Yes, this one on the desktop what I have displayed, that is kai magga. Okay. See, handicraft industries means handmade craft works. Yes, you people are able to see those all the handicraft works. Yes, next comes to undertake the programs for conservation of soil, water and forest. Yes, next, to undertake, already happened, this is the conservation of soil, and this is regarding conservation of water, and this is regarding conservation of forest. Do you know what is the meaning of conservation? When you will get this video, write the meaning of conservation, is it? So let us move for the 12th point, the execute the agricultural extension programs to help the farmers. Extension programs means like postal programs. Yes, like filling the RD and maximum panchayat government have to do the help for the farmers, isn't? Next, see, what is this? This is the handicraft industries. These only are called handicraft industries. They, those all the women are preparing handicraft things, craft things they are preparing here. Okay, next, see this one, major achievements of Ministry of Women and Child Development. Yes, to give a more importance for the woman and along with child development. That is also a program of a or objective of a local government, means Panchayat Raj. 13th one, to plan and implement the welfare schemes for the benefit of SC, ST, weaker sections, women and children. Yes, see, for the children, they are able to give a free education for the very poor people, and even they can give a benefit for the SC, ST and weaker sections, even including women also. Who will give all the means who will give the benefits to the common people? The members of the panchayat or gram sabha members, yes, which already the central government was implemented or given granted to the particular village. That the central government will grant to the state government will grant it to the particular districts will give taluks will give gram panchayat, is it? Next, see, the market, sante, usually we used to call sante. Yes, in our Jamkhandi, every Thursday, Monday, every Thursday, maximum every Thursday and Sunday, and even when Tuesday also, people are getting a marketing, vegetable marketing. Yes, in Thursday, main market. Yes, next in Sunday, APMC market, vegetable market. In Tuesday, in the near Danama temple. Yes, the vegetable markets will starts, means gets on. Next, to collect taxes, fees and penalties. Taxes means how they used to collect, by the balance, expenses, by the profit, by the loss, capital, business, income, investments, by this all the things they will get the village tax. Means they will collect the village tax. Yes, now comes fees and penalties. Penalties means if they are not ready to do a work, they have to pay the penalty. In time, if they were unable to do the if they were unable to implement that particular work or object to that village, that will be a penalty for the members. Yes, not only members, it's a penalty for the panchayat only. Next, to identify the benefits for the various and welfare programs of the government. See this one, adult allowance means monthly basis 500 taka. Adult allowances have been paid to 31 lakh 50,000 adults. Yes, next, see this one, adults also getting a implementations, or they are also able to get benefits from the local governments. The sources of income,